Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this bubblegum hack on Drawstring Press. Yes, using the accessory adjustment. I know y'all are probably tired of me using this, but it does work. Also, don't mind it from the back. For the hair, I use this. No bangs, this bangs only, and then the big poofy one just to cover up the bubblegum. Without this one, you can still kind of see the bubblegum behind the hair. So you'll need something that's big to cover it up. Select these earrings, and I just colored it pink, but you can color it to any color you want. I think I used the light silk one. You can use whichever one that makes it more shiny, but I think that's good enough. For the accessory adjustment, for the position, I did X at 0.36, Y at 0.54, Z at 0.56, and for the rotation, I did X and Y at 1 and Z at 0. And for the scale, I made it a little bit bigger at 1. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.